up, loves? It's your girl Trace and we're back with another video. As you can see by that title, we are about to do 20 popular YouTube video ideas, because you know, if you are a new YouTuber like me, you want to get your name out there, you want to get subscribers, you want to get views, you want to get likes. That is exactly what these videos are going to do for you. But before we get down into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, which is right down here below. Make sure you also like this video and make sure you comment down below other things that you would love to hear from me, and make sure you hit that bell, because you know, you just want to be there when I'm about to post another video, or when I do post a video, you want to be there, don't you? Anyway, now let's get down to this video. If you see me looking down, it's just me looking down at my phone, because I just couldn't remember all of the ones that I wanted to do. It was so many videos that I wanted to say, but I'm just only going to do 20. But let's get down to this video. Let's just get started. For the first one, I feel as though this one blows up. I mean, like, this video gets millions and millions and millions of views. A makeup routine, like a makeup tutorial, all of those things. If you know how to slay your face with the foundation, the concealer, the highlight, show that, do that. A makeup routine is probably the best video out there. I mean, so many females do it. It's the most, like, to me, I think every time I go on YouTube, that's the only video I see. A bunch of makeup routines, a bunch of them. So yes, that'll be my first video, is the makeup tutorial. For my second one, it would be a 50 facts about me. Now that video is actually coming, because I'm going to do that one. But I feel as though if you are a YouTuber, your subscribers want to know things about you. They want to know facts, and they want to know what you're all about. For the third video, I say an informational video. I mean, like, things that you would like. What is the thing that you know about? Like, what is it, something that you really know about? Like, you know stuff about piercings, you know stuff about dogs, you know stuff about cats, you know, anything that you love. Like, for me, I love I love roses. I love white roses. I feel as though if I was to ever do an informational video, I would do something about roses or something about flowers, something like that. For my fourth one, I say a famous quote or your favorite quote, stuff that, you know, something that you love, like out of a book or out of a movie. I know, to me, I love The Notebook. I would take something out of there. Or I love Nicholas Sparks. Oh my god, I just love his books. I love his movies. Like, something like that, you know, famous quote. For my fifth one would be a room tour. People do these all the time. Room tour, college tour room, and stuff like that. They get a lot of views too. People do that a lot. Next one, for my sixth one, would be a closet tour. Closet tours, I mean, if you got this big closet and you got so many clothes, so many shoes, and you feel as though you can just walk through it and show that closet off. People, I don't know why that is so, like, popping nowadays, but closet tours are really popping. They are really getting the views and stuff like that. So make sure you do a closet tour. For my seventh one, I would say what's on my iPhone. That one I would definitely love to do. I have not did that one yet, but that video is actually coming. What's on my iPhone. People do that. Like, little do people know that video literally blows up. Like, I love watching people what's on my iPhone, because that give me new apps to download, new games to download. Yeah. For my eighth one, I would say what I eat in a day. People love to know what you eat. They want to try your diets, you know, showing what you eat in the morning, you know, lunchtime, dinner time. For my ninth one, do a daily vlog. You know, like, what do you do that day? Like, just take your camera, you know, show them a day in your life. You know, if you go to the mall, you know, you go out with your friends, or maybe you just a chill, laid back person that like to sit on the couch and, you know, watch movies or watch, you know, TV shows and stuff like that. For my 10th video, I would say do a favorite video. Like, I'm pretty sure that you have videos out there that you love, that you like, really, you know, you like a lot, and you just be like, oh, you know what, let me show everybody what's my favorite videos. You know, make that a video. What is your favorite videos out there? For the 11th one, I would say, oh, I love this one. This is, I think, okay, so I probably said the makeup routine one was probably the most popular one, but I would say this one, no, I changed my mind. This one is probably the most popular one. How to videos are literally like the best. Like when you need to know how to do something, like how to make fake shoes, how to make you know, jewelry, how to slay your lace front, or how to do makeup, or how to do a wing, or how to put your eyelashes on, anything that you need help with, it is on YouTube. I literally guarantee it is on YouTube. So how to videos are great too. They get a lot of views. Listen, when I need help with something and I don't know how to do it, or I don't know what to do, or I'm just confused, I go straight to YouTube and I click how to videos. Type that right in the search box. For my 12th video is the boyfriend, girlfriend, or best friend tag. They get a bunch of views, especially if you got like one of those channels where you do like a lot of challenges and stuff like that. That come in handy because, you know, people love seeing people do those challenges. So you know, you tagging your boyfriend in there, or you tagging your girlfriend in there, or your best friend in there. People love those type of you know, those type of channels where, you know, you got boyfriend or girlfriend tags and stuff like that. They get a lot of views, especially those boyfriend tag videos. Like if you doing boyfriend do my makeup or stuff like that. Yeah, that's another one too. But for my 13th video, I would say a tips video. You know, give advice to people. You know, people need a lot of tips out there. You know, if you got like a skincare routine, stuff like that, tell tips about, you know, what you do to get your skin clean, or, you know, skin moisturized, or, you know, fresh and stuff like that. If, you know, you got, you know, you do cooking videos, tell people your cook tips or stuff like that. My 14th video, I would say office tour. Like if you at work and you got a bomb job and the office is decent, do an office tour. Now I don't know if they allow that at your job, but do it. It's a video. Do it. For my 15th one, these ones are good too. Like I haven't did this one. I should have did one last Christmas, but what I got for Christmas, or what I got for Valentine's Day, what I got for my birthday, you know, show off your jewelry or show off your gifts and stuff like that. People love to know what you unboxing, or what you know, opening, or the type of gifts that your family, or, you know, your spouses or your friends got you. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, for my 16th video, these ones are really popular too. Like they're the best. And this is another video that is coming, a story time video. Story time videos are great because if you got a juicy story and you know it's interesting, or you know it's funny, and you know it gets people attention, use it because they get a lot of views. Like I know I see a lot of ones that be like how I lost my virginity, or how me and my friends are not friends no more, or, you know, or stuff like that, or how my mom courted us in the room. Like those type of videos, they get the views. They get the views. Storytime videos, they get the views. For my 17th video, what I wore in a week, or what I wore in a day. Like, you know, show them what you wore for the 7 days out of the week. You know, whether you're copying a celebrity style, or whether you're just doing your own style. Show them what you wear. Like, show them what type of style you going for. For my 18th video and opinion video, like, you know, all the things that's trending on Facebook, or trending on Twitter or Instagram, tell them your opinion. Like, you might get a lot of negative feedback because, you know, when it's your opinion, most people might not like it, or some people might like it. But tell them how you feel. Like, maybe it's something about politics or stuff. Like, I don't think you should do politics, but maybe it's something about what's going on in the world. Like, maybe you could talk about the coronavirus or something like that. Tell them your opinion or stuff like that with that. For my 19 video and idea videos, like what I'm doing now, like give people ideas, like, you know, the 50 YouTube ideas, or 20 reasons why you should be happy, or 20 reasons why you should be mad for no reason, you know, stuff like that. And for my last but not least video, this one is probably grade 20, a haul. I think hauls are the best videos when you're looking for outfits or, you know, brands to, you know, advertise or stuff like that. Like, you're trying to show off your new clothing, or you're trying to get with a new brand like Fashion Nova, Boohoo, or Pretty Little Thing, or things like that. Do one of those hauls and stuff like that, because they get a lot of views, and they get a lot of comments and stuff like that, because people are a little bit tricky about their size and stuff. I know I ordered something from Fashion Nova a long time ago and it didn't fit me. I ordered a small and it was still big. So I went on to, you know, YouTube, and I was just looking like, oh, she's the same size as me or stuff like that. So yeah, do a haul and stuff like that. But yes, guys, that is my 20 YouTube videos, you know, popular ideas. I hope this really helped you out, because I'm going to be trying these videos. You know, like I said, if you a small YouTuber and you trying to gain some followers, or you trying to gain people that just gaze into your channel, and you try to gain attention, then these are some of the ideas that I think you should do. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much. And make sure you also comment down below if you like this video, and make sure you always like my videos, because you know you want to just support your girl. But thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. And make sure you stalk me on all my social medias. I'll make sure I comment that down below. And thank you guys. See you next time.